Yes, 12th form students, we are doing phenol topic today. Now, phenol, it is aromatic alcohol. First, let me introduce you about phenol. It is a colorless solid or liquid which on exposure turns to pink color. That is due to oxidation. So, we are doing preparation and acidic nature of phenols today. Firstly, preparation. So, preparation of phenol first is from chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene, this reaction is known as Gauss process. So what happened when chlorobenzene is treated with sodium hydroxide? So what happened? This ONA will take its position and HCl will be eliminated. So sodium phenoxide is produced. When sodium phenoxide is treated with dilute HCl, this H will replace this Na and here phenol is formed. Then second is from benzene sulfonic acid. Now this is the formula of benzene sulfonic acid, that is C6H5SO3Na. When it is treated with sodium hydroxide, again like in this also, so when it is treated with sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide is formed. And this sodium phenoxide when treated with the same step here with dilute HCl, phenol is formed. Then third preparation is from disodium salt. You all know the formula of disodium salt, C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. So when it is treated with water in presence of dilute H2SO4. Now what is the function of dilute H2SO4 here? It helps in dissociation of water. Because water is a poor electrolyte, so its dissociation power is 0. But in presence of 1% acid, it dissociates into H plus and OH minus. So this OH minus will take this position and N2 gas will be eliminated and this H, 1H remaining H will move to Cl to form HCl. And now we will do the acidic nature of phenol. Yes, now acidic nature of phenol. Firstly, why phenol is acidic in nature? That is due to resonance stabilization and formation of stable phenoxide ion. Now look here, this is a structure of phenol. In phenol, what is there? Two lone pair of electrons on oxygen and H is attached to it, and this is the benzene ring. So what happened? OH group is basically it is a electron releasing group because it has access of electron. So what happened when it releases electron to this benzene ring? It will occupy ortho and para positions. Now where are ortho and para positions? This is ortho. These two are ortho position. And this is para position. So what happened? This lone pair of electron will jump to 2 times. It will jump here to ortho position. So what happened? When it gives electron to the benzene ring, there it acquire a partial positive charge. And so the lone pair of electrons are moving here. So at this point will acquire negative charge. So what happened? Again, it will move to para positions now 2 times. So again in this structure it has moved to para position. Then again 2 times it will move and again it will move to ortho position. Now this time I am showing you lone pair of electrons on this ortho position. So what happened? When it has released lone pair of electrons on benzene ring, every time the lone pair of electrons are either on the ortho positions like this position and this position or para position. So what happened? Oxygen acquires the partial positive charge. So always the positive charge is here. So afterwards what happened? Because oxygen in all the 3 structures acquiring a partial positive charge, so it will take electron from hydrogen very quickly and proton release is very easier. And now it will form a stable phenoxide ion. Now this phenoxide ion formed is stable by because it has acquired a partial negative charge. So it shows its electron richness. So this is how the acidic nature of phenol is determined by its resonance stabilization due to formation of stable phenoxide ion. That's all for today, children.